Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video by Police Activity, and the title of the video is "Man Crashes Car and Threatens Police with a Hammer During Arrest." So pretty much they got called to the scene for a domestic assault in progress. So that's pretty much where we're at. Listen, if you hear something in the background, man, it's the lawnmower, man. So I'm gonna try to, you know what I mean? We trying to get the work done, but you know, got the grass getting cut right now. So yeah, let's get to it, man.
What's going on? I'm here to talk about what's going on with you.
I don't know. I'm running from cops. Steals my car. This guy's drunk, crazy. Girl's nuts. Trust me.
Okay, where now?
I don't know. Took off. Scared. Knows the cops are coming. Oh, yeah.
Can you come chat with me? Don't pull away. Do not leave. Do not. He's pulling out. He's trying to pull out. Do not leave. Just stop. He's coming out. He's coming out. What? Up. He's 50'd. Stop, stop, stop. He's got a hammer. Go, go. Watch out, watch out. No! The kid died! Drop the weapon! Drop the weapon! I need more units. Drop the hammer! Drop the hammer! I don't want to shoot you! Calm
I don't
down!
want to go to jail again!
Calm down!
I don't want to go
Calm
to
down!
jail! You better
Calm down!
fucking shoot me!
Drop the hammer!
I'm not going back!
Drop the hammer!
You better do it!
Hey, that boy must have had a rough time in there, boy. Hey, that boy don't want to go back, man. He said, hey, I ain't going back to jail, dog. I don't care what y'all gotta do. I ain't going back. You know what I'm saying? You know, sometimes it get a little crazy in there. They might, you know, take your manhood and all that type of craziness. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look, my guy was probably getting picked on. They had him on payroll. You know what I'm saying? He was probably doing dishes. You know what I'm saying? He probably washing people dirty drawers and all that. Like, he said, hey, I ain't going back, man. Y'all gonna have to kill me before I go back up in there, boy.
Nobody wants to shoot you. Drop the
I
hammer.
haven't done shit! Whatever.
Roll onto your stomach. Do it now. Roll to your left onto your stomach. Drop the hammer. Thomas.
I didn't even do that.
Thomas.
Put your hands up.
Thomas, can you take a breath for me? Can you roll onto your left side, okay? I don't want to hurt you.
Yes, that's a good one.
Can you
Do
roll?
that.
Drop the hammer.
Drop the hammer! Drop the hammer! Do it now! Do it now! Let's go!
Drop the hammer.
Drop the hammer.
Let's do it.
Thomas.
I want to die.
Thomas, listen.
I want to die. I'm not going
Take
to
a deep
jail.
breath. Take a deep
I'm
breath.
not going to jail. Shoot me, bitches.
Thomas, stop.
He said, I ain't do it no more. He said, do you know how degrading it is to do another man's drawers? Do you know how degrading it is? They gonna put me in a cell with one of them guys. One of them guys that got 25 to life, ain't got nothing to live. He there for a long time. You hear me?
If you made it this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. We're going to get right back to it in a second, but I just want you to do a couple of things. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit all. Then, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you check out our members-only content. You would click on join, check out our supporter package for $4.99, where you get badges, custom emojis, you're just showing your gratitude to the channel. Comment priority. You know I do not comment very often on videos, but I will reply to you. If you have any video suggestions, you can definitely let me know. We will get to it. And early access to all new videos. Now check out VIP. You get everything in the supporter package, but you also get member shout outs, right? I will shout you out on the video, and members only exclusive videos. Now that I've explained all that, thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the video.
Listen, that guy has a traumatic experience in jail or prison or whatever. Like, and people know the county is worse than actual prison. You know what I'm saying? So Hey, that boy, he doing everything in his power not to go back. that boy traumatized, you hear me?
Shoot me.
Thomas, look at me. Look at me. Thomas.
I'm not going.
Look at me. Take a deep breath.
I
Okay?
am not going. This bitch
Thomas.
has ruined my life.
No.
You have no idea.
Thomas.
You don't.
I don't. I don't.
No one knows. I am not gonna go to jail for this. He fucking destroyed everything.
Thomas, listen.
He fucking destroyed everything.
Got one hammer.
Stop. Stand. Thomas, stop. Thomas.
You wanna shoot me? Then shoot me.
We're westbound behind the house.
I'll throw this shit at you. I'll throw this shit at you.
Western Lethal deployed.
Limbs deployed.
Drop it.
I got the hammer.
Give me your other hand. Drop it.
5-3. Limbs deployed. Oh my god. Oh my god.
He ain't want no parts of that boy. He thought he could handle it. That boy hit him with them rubber bullets. You hear me? He hit him with them rubber joints. What? Took him down. Hold up. Let me run it back a little bit.
Thomas.
You wanna shoot me? Then shoot me.
We're westbound behind the house.
I'll throw this shit at you. I'll throw this shit at you.
Act right.
Western Lethal deployed.
Limbs deployed.
Drop it.
I got the hammer.
Give me your other hand. Drop it.
5-3. Limbs deployed. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop tensing up. Get your knee off my back.
Thomas,
Stop
breathe.
tensing.
Thomas, breathe. Just comply.
Okay.
Yeah, you going back to wash and draw.
Please. Please.
Thomas, it's all right. Just breathe. All right? Stop fighting. It's going to be okay.
Please.
Thomas, it's all right. Thomas, it's all right.
Please.
You're all right, Thomas.
Oh my god. Oh my god, happened. Oh my god. This is fucked. Please get your knee off me. I'm handcuffed. Please, it hurts.
Okay, Thomas, hold on.
He's hitting his knee right where I got hit. Please.
We're going to work with you, Thomas. Just give us one second.
Please.
Double lock. Okay.
Bring your knees to your chest. Sit up.
Sit up.
Yeah.
Stand up. Okay.
Yeah. I'm so sorry.
Out this way. This is the driveway.
Yeah, I bet he's sorry now.
You have any other weapons on? No, sir. No.
On the other side.
Face the car. Yeah. Awesome.
Spread your feet apart. A little bit more.
Yeah, he got his act together. They hit him with that act right, man. He started acting correctly after that, boy. Oh yeah, act right, boy. Did you see the way he flopped down to the ground? Yeah, boy, you going back in the slammer, you hear me?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.